How to fix Solid Starts app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Solid Starts app not working. So let's begin. First step that you'll want to do is update the app to its latest version. If it's not updated, go to the App Store and simply search for Solid Starts. And after you simply search for Solid Starts, you can then check if there is an update available. If you see the update button instead of the open one, tap on update and update the app. After updating the app, your problem should get fixed, but if it does not get updated, if the problem does not get fixed, or if there isn't any updates available, you can just go to your settings. On your settings, go to General, and then go to iPhone Storage. After you here, simply search for Solid Starts here and offload the app. Tap on offload and complete the offload. After the offload completes, tap on reinstall and install the app back again. After the reinstallation completes, your problem should get fixed as well, since all the cache has been cleared from the app. Finally, make sure while you do all of this, you are on good stable internet connection, and while using it, you are using a good Wi-Fi as well. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and